In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in a batch. QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you're entering a lot of expenses at once, batch transactions is the fastest way to get it done. We'll walk through the exact flow, and I'll share a few tips to help your data go in cleanly the first time. Start by going to the top left of your screen and selecting New. From the menu that appears, choose Batch Transactions. This opens a grid-style table designed for high-volume entry. You'll see columns for the information QuickBooks needs, such as date, payee, category, or account, amount, and memo. Think of it like a spreadsheet that feeds directly into your books. Next, look to the top left of the Batch Transactions window and set the entity type to Expenses. This tells QuickBooks which form you're creating in bulk. Right beside it, set the action to create. That ensures you're adding new expense records rather than trying to modify existing ones. Now it's time to bring in your data. If you already have a spreadsheet, choose the Import option and load your file. Use clear column headers and keep dates, amounts, and payee names formatted consistently. During import, review the preview to confirm each column lines up with the correct field. Make sure vendor names in your file match names in QuickBooks to avoid duplicates, and use the correct expense accounts so each transaction posts to the right place. If you don't have a file ready, you can enter the information manually right in the table. Work left to right, filling in dates, payees, categories, and amounts. Keep amounts positive, add memos when helpful for future reference, and be consistent with date formats. If your data already lives in another sheet, you can also copy and paste it directly into the grid. Just match the order of the columns in QuickBooks before pasting to keep everything aligned. When your rows are complete and everything looks accurate, click Save. QuickBooks will create all of those expense records in one go. If anything needs attention, you'll see prompts so you can fix issues right away. Otherwise, your expenses will be added to your books, categorized, and ready for reporting. That's all there is to it. Using batch transactions to create expenses can turn hours of individual entries into just a few minutes of setup. Keep your source data clean, double-check your columns, and you'll get smooth, accurate results every time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you work through your own batch.